Have you ever struggled to mix realistic skin tones? It looks complicated, but actually, it's just simple math. Today I'm going to show you how to create light, medium, and dark skin tones using only primary colors and white. No pre-made brown paint needed. Let's get started. First, you need to understand the secret formula. Every skin tone starts with orange. I'm mixing red and yellow to make a vibrant orange base. But skin isn't bright orange, right? So, how do we fix this? The secret key is blue. Blue is the opposite of orange. When we mix them, it kills the saturations and turns it into a natural brown. That is our foundation. Let's start with a light tone. For this, white is our main ingredients. I'm adding a small amount of our orange base. Right now, it looks too peachy. It looks like a fruit, not skin. Watch what happens when I add a tiny dot of blue. See that? The blue instantly desaturates it into a natural beige color. Now let's create a medium or tan tone. We need less white here, about 50%. I'm adding the blue again to neutralize the orange. Mixing skin tones is all about adjusting, so don't be afraid to experiment. This looks like a healthy, warm tan color. Beautiful. Finally, the dark tone. This is my favorite because the colors are so rich. Notice that I am not using white yet. White can make dark skin tones look chalky or dusty. We want rich pigments. There you have it. 3 distinct skin tones from one simple palette. Color mixing is a journey. I hope this satisfying session will help you with your next painting. Which color combination should I try next? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily mixing recipes. Thanks for watching.